Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your education to the CV Maker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And now you should click on the profile icon down below, which is the third option, and click on the education section, which is also the third one. Here, first of all, you should indicate whether you are currently studying something. So if you do so, tap on this button. Or if you have already graduated from college, then tap on this other button. Then you should add your education, starting with the latest one. So tap on this add new button in order to fill in this form, starting with the name of your institution, your qualification, your GPA. Here you can select whether you would like to show it or not. Then the time of your graduation, start date, and the courses that you have took or that you have participated in. And if you scroll down, you can also edit the your earlier studies that you have added here by tapping on the edit button. Here you can change any information if you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.